Hi, I'm Mike. In this video, I'm going to take you through step-by-step the all keys lost process for a Mazda using the IM1 from OTOFIX. For Mazda and Ford models, you need to always have 2 keys paired with the vehicle. Therefore, if you lost all your keys, you will need at least 2 blank keys and add them during this process. Don't worry though, the IM1 makes it very easy to do so. First, connect the V1 VCI to the vehicle's OBD2 port. Open up the VCI manager on the IM1 to pair with the IM1. Now that you are paired, go to the home screen and tap IMMO. Since all keys are lost, you won't be able to turn on the ignition, but we can manually input the vehicle's information by selecting Manual Selection. Now that you have the vehicle's information, you can run a scan. Our scan comes up with a fault code. We will ignore that for now. You can see the number of working keys on the screen here. Since they are lost, it's best that we erase them. The system will do this automatically when we go through the process. Tap All Keys Lost. For this procedure, we need to place all keys away from the vehicle. Then we will force the ignition on by long pressing the start button until the light turns yellow, then pressing it again. The system will need up to 7 minutes to erase the current keys. Once the keys are erased, it will display 0 for number of current keys. Turn the ignition off. Now we can take a blank key and add it. Press the start button, then hold the blank key close to the start button for around 10 seconds. Since it is a Mazda, we need to have 2 working keys in order for the vehicle to function normally. So take your second blank key and do the same thing. The key is now added and the system will display how many working keys you have. So now that the keys are added, we need to synchronize them with the vehicle. We can simply do this by turning the engine on for 3 seconds, then turning it off, and repeat for the second key. The IM1 makes it very simple to perform all keys lost. Just make sure for the Mazda that you have 2 working keys at the end. So that's all for this episode. For more on the IM1, check out our other videos on the OTOFIX YouTube library. I'm Mike, thank you for watching.